after a long time we have connected. I'm so feel happy, and when I saw your video with the another YouTubers, that I felt so happy, and I excited to connect with you because you got improved a lot, I must say.
Yeah, but I excited to, I wanted to talk to you, but I didn't.
Okay, no problem. You have been connecting with the people, different YouTubers. So how's going on? How are
Yeah,
you? How have you been
I'm
so far?
uh, everything is fine and I'm doing well. Thank you so much for asking me again. And if I talk about my journey, so nowadays I'm doing well. And as well, I'm getting fluency. And yeah, I make mistake, but not much better than before.
Okay, that's great. That is the important thing to be continue, right? To be consistent to learn this language. So when I met you before that time, you was totally different kind of Shravan, and I met you understand, that time. So don't give up, right? So it was long conversation with you, and now I finally see that you have changed a lot. So I'm over the moon today to see you like this. Okay,
Me too.
how did you motivate yourself? Because self motivates is too much required than others, right? So how did you motivate yourself?
Yeah, I was preparing for UPPCSJ. So, where I was, so there I got a chance. You can say almost I had more than 5 friends. So we were preparing for government job. You can say UPPCSJ. So that time, I got a chance to interact with them, easily. And I used to talk to them in English language because, I got a good environment there in my coaching. So I used to
Oh,
talk to them more than what 15 minutes whenever like I get free time. So I used to get free time, then I used to talk to them. And that's how I improved my English language with right now.
that's great. That is the good thing. You got environment to connect with the people in a real life apart from the virtual,
Yes,
right? That is the good thing. Okay. Okay, tell me about your daily routine. How do you manage each and everything? Because you are preparing for a government job. So how do you take out time for learning this language as well?
yeah, you can say whenever I get free or leisure time, so that time I interact people like you. Now you can see, I'm just talking to you after preparing my uh, breakfast.
Okay. You
Yeah,
are living alone, right?
yeah, I'm living alone, so I have prepared my breakfast. So today I have prepared chapati, vegetable, and rice.
Mhm. Okay. How winter affect you in your daily life?
Yeah, you're absolutely right.
Uh-huh. I'm asking to you that now weather is changing day by day, right? It's getting
Mm.
cold. So how it's affect you in your day-to-day life?
Yeah, you can see I have a little bit cough. You can see cold just because of weather. Weather is automatically change. You can say nowadays it's like a very cold. Today is very cold day, and that's why today I got up late and
Okay, okay, that's great. Okay.
sorry for this because
No,
I'm
no, no,
having
it's
little
okay. You are
problem.
having cold and cough. It's okay. Take care of yourself. Okay,
Okay, so
Shravan, then if you have any question to me, then you can ask. And I have some question to you.
mm, yeah, first, you have improved a lot. So please, if you don't mind, so me, I know what was your strategy? How did you how did you achieve your like this fluency? Because I watched your video more than almost time. I watched, so I got something new just because your site from your video. So how did you improve a lot of? Oh my God, like a native speaker, you had a conversation a lot of like people like Rajni ma'am, Karishma ma'am, and Astos maybe
No, I haven't.
not Astos. Maybe though I watched your video with Karishma ma'am.
Yeah, maybe you have watched.
Hmm.
Okay. Yeah, thank you so much for positive compliment. First of all, I'm trying. I'm practicing day by day, and I try to my level best. So, strategy is not that much special, like as usual, which is very important, right? to be consistent or to learn something new, to talk to people daily basis, to read something new, to get some knowledge from book. So yeah, this strategy I do follow, and I have been following this strategy for a long, so it's continue. That's the reason maybe I'm getting improvement day by day, little bit.
Yes, of course. Like, good to hear that your achievement, whatever you have achieved. So my second question is for you. That please, can you describe in a nutshell what do you think about professional life and personal life, and how can you differentiate? If you have any specific things to, okay, so you tell me
What is the different professional and personal life?
how, yeah, how do you manage, like how do you manage your personal life and the
Okay,
personal professional life?
how I manage. First thing is we have to know about the time management, right? How
Right.
which kind time management is suitable for me. So according the time, I have to manage my time and which time, what kind of things I have to do. First of all, I have to decide it, right? According that, I have to do work. Like suppose I'm a housewife, I'm a homemaker, and I'm mother of one small kid too. So according that, what is suitable for me, morning to till night? So I manage. I jot down some time according the my routine, what I have to do, what is the important to do, what is the must my first priority to do. This kind of things I do first. If I get some, then apart from I do, what is the secondary thing for me. If I talk about personal and professional life, so personal life is I have to make some food for my family and I have to take care to my family members, right? So this is the my personal matter and anyhow I have to do, right? So after sending them to school, I get some time for myself, and this time I do utilize for my professional life and my to take a session to learn something new. Yeah, that's how I do manage.
Yeah, you are absolutely right. You are speaking truth, And okay. So my next question is for you. What do you think about, like, we are having a technical thing like technology, AI, ChatGPT, ChatGPT2, ChatGPT3, like these things we are having, like everywhere you can find digitally, like if I talk about example, so we are having a 5G network, and there is no limit data, and if I talk about here, you can say, you heard about, like, robot, or here is a lot of harvester, and you can find it like hospital or sports thing, we are having all those things, technology, and like, we can do everything whatever we want. So what do you think? And we had lost our job, like private job. So what do you think, just because of technology we had lost a lot of like job, private jobs. So what do you think, please?
Okay, that's good. That is a good question, and I love to answer those questions. So yeah, definitely days are changing, right? They changing day by day. According we were toward moving that digital era, right? AI generation we are moving. So definitely, according the time, we have to change ourselves first of all, right? We have to update ourselves. If you update yourself according the time, then maybe that not that much difficult to survive in this era as well, because that is our compulsion to change ourselves. Why we are learning here English language? Because now we got to realize that without having knowledge of this language, it's difficult to survive upcoming generation, right? So that is the important thing, to learn to update ourselves day by day. If you update yourself, then maybe that is not a chance to lose your job. There are lots of things that you can improve yourself through the AI, through the Chat GPT. You can update yourself. What is it required to do, right? If you want to stay in your job, so definitely you should update yourself. What is it required to you? You have to update. That's how you can save your job and you can update yourself according the time. So yeah, in a nutshell, I just explained that much.
Okay, so what do you think about them who had lost their job, and like citizen people, they don't have much education, they don't have like much strength, or you can say power, or physical body, or mental body. So what do you think about them?
Okay, definitely they should work on themselves as well, because without working themselves, that is not possible to survive in this era, because this is so advanced era and competitive, right? Everywhere is so much competition is going on to get jobs especially. And you can see the social media is boon for us, right? So we are, lots of people are growing through the social media, so there is no this much competition. If you have some skill, then you can grow with this skill, right? Like lots of people are growing to making blog, they are good in making blog without any skill, right? So if you have any skill like cooking, like stitching, like speaking, if you are motivational person, then you can motivate to someone. That's how there are lots of variety of things you can choose, which you are good, right? So that's how you can go, you can forward, and no one can stop you, because if you are very willing and you are good in this particular thing, then definitely you will update yourself day by day, and you are very willing to know more and more about this particular things, because you are very interested in these things. Like our English learning journey, we have been learning this language for 1 year and we haven't stopped yet, because we are very interested to grow, we don't leave this part, and we always want to learn something new to grow ourselves. So that's how, if we are lacking somewhere, then definitely we have to improve to survive in this era. So yeah, this is the only one solution, that we have to update ourselves, we have to learn something new to stay in this era. Yes.
Great. I think you meant we should not make a lame excuses. You know, almost people they like to say that they make lame excuses. I don't have like this. I don't have a good environment. I don't have much job. I don't have like good job. I don't have much education like this. You know, almost they people say that. In the if I talk about nowadays, so I think everyone has a smartphone. Everyone has a, you can say everyone is getting 5G network. So no need to say like this. I don't have like this thing. Do whatever you want, you can do whatever you have explained here. So maybe a lot our viewer they can understand, they can learn a lot of things just because of you. You know, you have explained very well, quite well, remarkable. So I
Thank you
think
so much
maybe
for
we can find
asking
it.
this question too. Okay, that's good. That is the important thing in this era to survive, right? And making excuses, it was earlier time, but we can't accept this kind of excuses now, because
Yeah.
everything we are getting by in our hand. That is the
Yeah.
just far as a fingerprint, right? If you are willing to do, if you are willing to learn something new, definitely no one can stop you, and you will get easily each and everything in your hand.
Yes, you're absolutely right. Nowadays, we everyone have good quality, good unique nowadays, and they have aware all those things like AI, ChatGPT, and you could say social media, and almost 40% people they are having a good things like money and fame just because through the social media. Yeah, they deserve it because they have a skill. They had a lot of things in their past, you know, they were having a lot of things. So now they are able to get just because they're past. So I think it is good for us to do something just because of social media and technology. We should update day by day, you know, because we are having a lot of things just because of technology. So okay, so if you have any like questions, so please.
Yeah, sure. I just want to know from you one important question, that how did you overcome from your laziness? Because you said that time that I do not feel that much energetic to learn this language. So now you got lots of improvements. So how did you change your personality, and what things motivated you to change your personality? How did you overcome from this?
Okay, I'm going to give you your questions answers. Okay, if I talk about me, so you know, when I lost my YouTube channel, you know, I had a YouTube channel, so I was uploading short video and sometime a conversation video. You know, but it was my fault. I lost my YouTube channel. Then I got a motivation, you know, like motivate most myself because you know I was doing hard work and you know I was getting, you can say, more than 10 or 20 subscriber daily. So I was thrilled, you know, I was over the moon. Oh my God, I can do something just because of social media, and I can get a lot of fame. I can get a lot of fame just through the social media. But one day, just I was doing something, and I don't know what happened. You know, my mobile got you can say stopped all of a sudden, then I thought, okay, let's see reset. Then unfortunately, you can say, no, I forgot my
Unfortunately,
yeah,
un
I
okay.
forgot my
Password.
password, email ID password.
Okay, okay. Maybe
Then I
you
lost
had
my,
a chance to update this.
oh
Did not you
my,
have?
I tried many time, I tried many times, but no response that time, just and just I used to cry more and more because I was about to monetize my channel.
Oh my goodness. So sorry for that.
And I had a 7K 400 subscriber.
I came across on your channel once. I think you used to upload short videos mostly, and you told me about your channel.
And
Okay.
then I decided to do hard work, ma'am, and then you can say I got a command over at English language in this language. And I started speaking it myself, just sometime whenever I get more bored, that time I listen you like conversation video, Earlier I have told you sometime I watch your video, I like another YouTuber video. So like this, I watch like conversation podcast like this. And sometime I talk to myself, I memorize my mind, whatever I have done, whatever I will do in my future, just I will do tomorrow, I will do like this thing and I will go there. I like this. I memorize whatever I running in my mind. Just I memorize my mind in front of mobile, or I have mirror, you can see now.
Oh,
Little mirror.
that's great. That's
So
great.
I do the
Okay.
same thing daily basis, just nowadays I'm doing exercise. So you can say nowadays I'm taking diet, taking diet.
Diet.
Yeah, diet. So I do exercise since whenever I wake up early 6 morning, more than 7 o'clock. So I wake up. Sometime I get up late. Sometime I like my daily routine. And nowadays you can say winter season is going on. So everyone, you can say like this.
We feel little lethargic, during the winter time. That is a natural thing. And you are living alone there, so yeah, it is the obvious thing. You can feel little lethargic. Okay, then
Yeah, but
what's
ma'am,
about your
I got
YouTube
the
channel now? You totally lost. You
yeah, ma'am,
lost and you can't
I
recover
lost.
it. Can't you recover
No.
it?
No, I don't. I got a motivation from your side, your video. When I reach out, you decide your video. So that time you were speaking quite well. Then I wanted to talk to you, but I didn't. I you can say sent message. Maybe I have sent message more than 3 or 4 times on Skype group, but I think
Oh,
you didn't reply me.
so sorry for that. I did not check maybe. And sometimes I do not
And
have conversation as well.
yeah, I knew. Sorry. Because you went outside to just parkour.
Yes. That is the reason. Okay, that's great, Savan. Nice to talk to you. And after a long time, we have connected, and I'm totally very thrilled to see your improvement. And it was really nice conversation to you. You asked me a lot of question, and even I asked, and I thrilled very much to see you.
Thank you,
So
man.
okay,
Thank you for your
okay.
compliment.
Thank you.
And it was nice conversation. And thank you for you giving me your precious time to talk with me. And I'm thrilled right now. You can say I'm over the moon just because you can see my face.
Yes.
Okay, bye.
Okay. Have a good day. Bye.